再来国际新闻来看，美国才打开学就发生枪案哦。最近上新的消息就指出，明尼苏达州明尼阿波利斯市一间天主教学校发生枪案，包括开枪的嫌犯在内，是造成3个人死亡、17人受伤。总统川普是下令全国降半旗，那联邦调查局嘛已经展开调查了。
I thought it was just something, then when I heard it again, I just ran under the pew, and then I covered my head. My friend Victor saved me though, because he laid on top of me, but he got hit. I was 2 seats away from the stained glass windows. I think I got gunpowder on my neck.
这个读圣母领报天主教学校小学5年加10岁囡仔，无偌久进前拄到政治飞过头壳顶，伊旁边听到枪声经验。
Shooting through the windows, he struck children and worshippers that were inside the building. The shooter was armed with a rifle, a shotgun, and a pistol. The sheer cruelty and cowardice is absolutely incomprehensible. The coward that shot these victims took his own life in the rear of the church. A manifesto that the shooter had timed to be released on YouTube. This manifesto appeared to show him at the scene and included some disturbing writings. That content has since been taken down with the assistance of the FBI.
联邦调查局已经就国内恐怖主义，也有针对天主教徒的受分犯罪立案调查。美国总统川普下令所有的政府大楼降半旗，一直到礼拜8月27日，明尼苏达州明尼亚波利斯市南边一间天主教学校，在开学季的第一礼拜就发生枪击案，造成重大死伤。凶手也是死者之一。警方讲，枪手23岁查甫人魏斯特曼是一个人作案，之前无犯罪资料。当局讲，所有受伤的囡仔应该拢无性命危险。公司新闻黄文玲编写。